Virginia here with Jenny Lee Gems. It's Sunday, July 31st, and I am getting ready for our giveaway. I have 3 books, at least 3, I might have 4, 3 books, and a beginner's kit for someone who's starting out, and some clay tools for those that are going to be working with clay. So I'll pick the names randomly, I'll match them up with the books, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna have to run down to my friend's house to have her draw the name. Jackie, she lives here in the park where I live, and she's one of my fellow coilers. So I'm just gonna read the names off so you could see that everybody's name has been put in there. There's still another close to 2 hours to draw. I think I'm gonna draw at 6 o'clock, depending on when Jackie is available. And I just want to read the names off. I will add a few more if people add on at the end. But right now we have 20, so those are pretty good odds. So let's start with, there's Deb Edwards, Robin Carneen Edwards. Oh, she's my soul sister that lives up here. Janet Sweden, Linda Cole, Alicia Sweden, Diana Keys, I think that's the way you pronounce it. Tracy Utley, Susan Hudgens, Gail George of Pineneedle. She has the most beautiful needles, and those will be included with the beginner kit. Susan Pennell, Bonnie Auburton, Jana Paulson, Kathy Steffner, Margie Sarro, Bonnie Auburton, Denise Nelson, Floy Height, Holly Morgan, Valerie Rogers, and Joe Brokeman. Joe Brokeman lives in Australia, so that should be fun mailing to her if she wins. Okay, so there we go. I will have a beginner's kit with one of these centers in it. If I can reach the person that wins the beginner's kit, I'll confirm which color they would like. We have 3 books. We have a clay kit with some little cutters in it. And we will go from there. So at 6 o'clock, I will be having my friend draw names. I'll fold these up in here, and there are 20, so those are pretty good odds. So good luck, and thanks for joining.